Welcome back and a special welcome once again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com. Up first this evening, clarification from operators of the North-South Highway after harsh criticisms by the police who are upset that cops transporting an injured colleague in a service vehicle to the hospital had to pay to access the toll road. The police constable Donald Carr was on his way to work when his car overturned and landed in a ditch in the vicinity of Golden Grove. He later died in hospital. Kirk Wright has more.
The toll authority in a release says the vehicle which collected the injured officer and transported him to the St. Anne's Bay Hospital had to pay at one toll booth but was given free access to exit another once the situation was explained to the attendant. It says protocol dictates that an attendant must seek approval from a supervisor in order to grant the toll exemption. This process is usually done in less than 90 seconds. Police Federation Chairman Corporal Rohan James has been very critical of the government and the operators of the toll about the process.
It cannot be that the police services unit marked transporting an injured victim to the hospital had to fork out $300 because the toll road operators refused to allow them to go through to transport this victim to the hospital. It is absurd. In a country such as Jamaica, where the constabulary force has greater remit, there is a limitation placed on the members of the constabulary force in utilizing the toll road.
The toll authority is insisting that there was no issue in the Public Safety and Traffic Enforcement Branch P-Step Highway Patrol Unit gaining access to the highway to attend to the crash site. The agency explained that as first responders, members of P-Step maintain electronic access to the toll roads. The authority says, having consulted with the Minister of Transport Audley Shaw, as well as its chairman, is moving to advance existing plans to expand the number of JSF service vehicles with the electronic access beyond the P-Step Highway Control Unit, which currently has responsibility for monitoring the North-South Highway. Kirk Wright, TVJ News.